everyone, I'm Surabhi, the homeschooling mother of two precious little girls aged 4 and 3, and today I'm here to talk about reward system in our homeschooling setup. Point number one, I did not agree to reward system. When we were being brought up, there was no reward system, and somehow I related to it that for being nice, for cleaning up the mess, for not hitting, for not pushing, there should not be any reward. They are good habits. They are rules of my house, so you have to abide by it. There'll be no reward for it. So yeah, for like 2 years till my elder one was near about 3.5, we did not have any reward system in our house. But then came the problem. My girls were going to junior church. The junior church is where it's a play group where my kids will be taken care while I attend the service at the church. And so there all kids are there, and their snack was usually biscuits, crackers, marshmallows. Some birthdays there, so they'll get some candies. So where they got exposure to the junk food, which was not allowed to them for so many years of their life. They did not have any idea what marshmallow is. What they did not have any idea about what candy is. And that was a time when because they had become vocal also, so they were like, we want this. They come to grocery shop with me every time, so they spotted those packets and they're like, mama, this is something we get in junior church, so no, why don't you buy it for me? And I tried explaining this junk food. We talked about good, bad, sugary, not sugary, food pyramid, everything. But kids are kids, and they are there every Sunday, and every Sunday they are seeing kids eating it, and they are also eating it. And believe it or not, junk food is too yummy to resist. And it happened in parks also. People were offering them cookies and crackers, and they will look at me and they will be scared at times. That's what I felt. And that was the time I realized that this is not going to work. I cannot keep them junk free, considering the society we are in, or the environment around us, and they're too small for it. And I was in a way scared that they will become rebellious to me. Somewhere they'll think I'm very very strict mother, and this is not something I wanted. So that's what. So my thing was that I have to give them junk food, but in a controlled way, and that is where the reward system kicked in our house. So now reward system. So simple. I have just a sheet. I have made some squares in it. It's a name written on the baby, and I just got some reward stickers. Some same, just teacher stickers are here, and they can choose sticker with it. Now for what they earn it. So again, my basic point is you'll not earn a reward for a good habit or abiding some rule in the house. So you'll not get. So what it should be that if you do it, you earn it. If you don't do it, you don't earn it. But then it should not bother me that he did not do it. So that came homeschooling things comes in our mind, because homeschooling is something which is very child-led in our house. They do it very good. If they don't do it, I don't care. They're anyways learning by observation, and so many things we are doing in our house, it doesn't matter to me. But that is why I use homeschooling as our incentive for getting a sticker. So the day they do their shelf, the day-to-day activities, they earn a sticker, and they earn 1 or 2 stickers a week, because that's the only days actually we do all the work which is on planned in a day. And yeah, so I'm happy because I mean, 2 stickers a week means it takes 1.5 month minimum, sometimes 2 months to earn the full sheet stickers, and that's earn it. And what do I love about a reward system, and what my kids infer from this reward system? One, what you have is your need basically. What is your basic thing? You need clothing, you need basic food, basic healthy food. That is my duty to give it to you. That is why your dad is working, and we are earning money and bringing you up, because it's our duty. But if you need anything extra, any extra toys, any extra thing, any junk food, or saying luxury, anything which is a desire, you need to work hard for it. You'll not get it just because you want it, you'll get it. No, junk food is not required for your body, but yes, it's very yummy. You want it, please go ahead, earn it. And it is working, because 2 weeks back we were in aquarium, and there was a child sitting in front of us who was eating a cracker, a salty cracker, which is very yummy. And the first thing my younger one asked me was, Mama, what did he do to earn that cracker? Because somehow it isn't built in a mind that everyone earns junk food, because that's the only way to get junk food. And it's not true, but yeah, it works for me. And that's how I love about this reward system. Second thing, I can still control the junk food intake because, like, first time when they completed their sheet, they ran to the grocery store with me and picked up the marshmallow packet. And yes, they ate that marshmallow packet for 3 or 4 days. And yeah, I got like little upset because it was a lot of marshmallows, but it's okay, they earned it. Second time when the sticker chart was complete, I was thinking of the strategies, how to stop junk food. So coincidentally, we went for shopping. There's so many sales going on because of Christmas, and there was very cute teddy bear lockets, a pair lockets, which is best friends. They're two lockets like that, and I wanted to buy it for them. I just loved it, and it was on sale. But then I just told that, there's a cute lockets, do you want them? I think, yeah, but I like, okay, you earn it, you have completed sticker chart yesterday, so this time will not get any junk food. Why did you buy these teddy bears? And yes, it worked. They were like, yeah, mama, junk food we'll get next time. Now next time we'll get the marshmallows, this time please get us teddy bears. And we got it, and that month we did not eat any junk food, at least as a reward system. And perfect, so this is how our reward system work. And now third sheet is on, probably take 2 or 3 months again to complete that sheet, but the basic points are gone. Basic points are set up in their mind that if you want something extra in your life, you need to work hard for it. It's not my duty to give it to you. It's not you'll get it just in your hand, that you put in a hand you'll get it, but you earn it. It's yours, and everything can be earned if you work hard for it. So that's all is my reward system about, and I somehow feel it works for us. So give it a try if it works for you, and all the best. Bye bye.